Question 19. Match each fraction to its simplified form. Fill in the blanks to create 4 match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each one of these on the left and see if I can match it up with one over here. So I'm going to simplify each one of these. So I'm going to start with 12 out of 20. Now, there's 2 ways I can do this. If they're both even numbers, I could always halve it to begin with. So I could just divide by 2 to start with. And that gives me 6 out of 10. And then I can keep going. They're still both even, so I can divide them both by 2 again. And that gives me 3 out of 5. Now there is a quicker way to do this, and that's to go straight from 12 out of 20. If you can spot that you can divide both by 4, then you can do it in one jump. We go straight down to 3/5. And that matches there, so I can complete that bit there. Then I'll take the next one down here, 6 out of 27. And I need to think, what goes into both of those? Well, use my times table facts. I can divide them both not by 2, but I can divide them both by 3. That gives me 2/9. Is 2/9 there? No, it's not. So it must be the missing one. This must be 2/9. Now I'm going to do this one. I've not got a space there, so I'm going to do this one. 28 out of 40. Now, you could just halve it to start with, but I can actually spot that I can divide those both by 4 because they're both in the 4 times table. So divide both by 4, and that gives me 7 out of 10, and it matches to there. So the last one is just any equivalent fraction for 5/6. So here's 5/6, and I need to just generate any equivalent fraction. So the easiest one to do is just to times them both by 2. I could times by 3 or 4 or whatever I want to times by. But if I times them both by 2, I've got 10/12, and I can put that in here. And that's your correction for question 19.
So I'm going to write